So only 135 students are there. Actually, it is 225 students. So, Ma, what is that? What is that? Cinema release is there, okay. So, let it be. What is there? Any special? Nothing is there. So, cinema release will be that if you are very much interested to see cinema, wait for 10 days. You can go freely. What is the use of it? So, don't waste your time. So, let us move to the continuation process of our previous class. So, modules. So, almost we understand the modules concept. Today, we will go for one important topic is there, and one more example I want to explain in the class. Fine. So what is the use of module? What is the use of module? Okay, Ankit. Santosh, thank you. Okay, so let us start. What is the use of module? To reuse the variables, functions, and the class names across the programs. That's why we will go for what? Modules. Okay, what is the definition of module? A module is a collection of variables, functions, and the classes. Okay, right. So let us go to number of approaches to reuse the modules. How many approaches are there? Two approaches are there. One is by using import from import. By using import, how many syntaxes? 4. By using from import, 3. So with import statements and from import, we can use 7 ways totally, right? And we did some example also on that area and multiple examples. Any kind of function to reuse across the programs, better approach is go for modules. Let us go for one more example now. So that after that, I will introduce the concept of reloading the module. There is one topic I want to discuss today. That is the reloading the modules concept. I will go for it. Okay. So reloading the concept, this part I want to discuss it. One more example I just want to take care. Of course, you can do it, but I just want to go for using that in the class. Okay, so let's start. Right. So start. Write down. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Which will, Dheeraj, 1 minute ma, one of the online student is getting a doubt. What is folder case 1? I don't understand. See ma, Dheeraj, it is a folder where I put my example, where I put multiple examples comes under one program only. For that purpose, I wrote that folder. For one example purpose, to express that this is only one small example purpose, I created a separate folder. Right? So you need to download that and you need to unzip it, uncompress it, so that you will get it. I hope you know that. Right? Read down. So coming to the point of it, write a Python program which will implement arithmetic operations with menu driven approach using modules using modules. Right. So I'm going to say what exactly I'm looking for. Look at students here. Arithmetic operations using modules. So look at that. Here I'm going to take like this. Arithmetic operations, just I'm giving skeleton part of it. Arithmetic operations Carefully understand, students. There I'm going to take, it's like a menu. I'm just showing here, and you're already well aware of that. One for addition, one for addition. This example I taught already to you earlier. With a normal example, I said, with menus, we will do it. With the modules, I will do it. Next is called subtraction. Subtraction. And the third one is called what? Multiplication. Multiplication. And the fourth is called what? Division. Fourth is called division. And the fifth is called what? Modulus. Modulus. So, modulo division, you can say. Modulo division. And next, the sixth is called what? Exponentiation. Exponentiation. Exponentiation, or simply exponentiation, let it be. Next, the seventh is called what? Exit. This is what I want to take it. Okay, na? So this is called one simple menu. Under this, you can say enter your choice. This type of menus already we are aware of it. Only today is I'm writing separate programs. Okay, students. Can I do it in PyCharm? So as you expected, some students even asked, can I do it in PyCharm? Yeah, let us go to PyCharm. PyCharm, I can go for it. So launch the PyCharm, which is there with you. Now I need to go for, this is the one screen which is visible to you. There I will say create a project. Project is nothing but an environment you are creating, like a case one I said, na? Like that you have environment, this one. New project I will say. Create a new project. So I'm going to say new project. Say create a new project. Click on the new project. It is going to be asking name of the new project. So I'm going to give you the AOP. Stands for Arithmetic Operations Project. Say create. See below to that, come down, come down, come down. There is an option called create. Bottom right corner. Create. So once it is there, it is going to create the project. It is going to create the project. So let us wait for this virtual environment which is created. Virtual environment is nothing but like an infrastructure required for development of this program. It's like a folder how I create last class, case one, like that. It is going to create. Right. Fine. So wait for some time. This will be showing to you that. Fine. So it will create. Students, carefully understand. Pranav, any ID can be used, no problem. Whichever ID is using, it's a matter of only 2 minutes. It's a matter of only 2 minutes. Pranav, not a problem of with any of the things. Okay, students, shall we start? Now, let us go to, this is my AOP. This is my AOP. Click on that, say right click. What are the things this is my outline. This is my outline. There I will take what? First, what are the file names required? I'm going to show you file names required. I'm taking file names required to carry out my application. To carry out my application. What is the first one I'm taking? Menu. I'm taking it as what? Menu.py. First one is that. Second one is called what? AOP menu. If you want AOP menu, Arithmetic Operations menu. Next, I want to do what? One more program I want to do it. AOP operations program I want to take. .py. Operations. All operations I want to take it. Next, I will take it as what? AOP demo. I will take it as what, students? AOP demo. AOP demo program I am going to show you. .py. This is called main program. So how many files I am taking? 3 files I am taking. Under which folder? Under which folder, my dear students? AOP. Under that, click on that, right click, all of you students, say new and say what file? Python file. Say Python file. What is the asking? AOP menu.py. AOP menu.py. It is my file name. Now it is going to be opening. There I need to start. How you start? Like how do you type in edit plus? Same to same. ID is just only something like a new area where you can write your programs like this. Now see students, what is my program name? Already file name is available. Already file name is available. This is my file name. There I can start my coding. Here I am going to start my coding. So let us students carefully follow. I am taking that print off. I am saying that some hyphen. I am going to say star 50. Star 50. Okay. There I am going to say print. What I am going to do? Arithmetic operations. Arithmetic operations. I'm going to give. Then next I'm going to write it print of something like, of same thing. I will write it star 50. Star 50. Well, there I'm going to write it. Of course, I will take the same thing once again. I will write in middle of it print of some backslash t. I say, what is that operations? Addition. Next is called what? Print of. Carefully students, you see that backslash t to. What is this now? Subtraction. Next is print of backslash t 3. I can say, what is this now? Multiplication. I can say take care about the spelling mistakes and all. Subtraction, multiplication. Next print of backslash t. So 4. What is it? Division. Okay. Next print of, I can say, what is this now? Backslash t 5. I can say modulo division. Next I will say print of, I say backslash t 6. What is this ma? Exponentiation. Next I will say print of backslash t 7. What is this now? Exit. This is the information completely what you have. This is a complete information what you have. As Control S. Save this. This is finished. Okay. Next, under this AOP, I have a file name called AOP menu. One more file I want or not? What is the file I want? See our outline, our plan you see. This menu is over. Now I need to go for what? This pro. Right. Before that, I would like to go for AOP demo also. I will plan it. Let me show you the main program. Go to that. Again, you take your folder, working environment, workspace or virtual environment. Say right click of it and say new file. Say Python file. Say that I'm going to say AOP demo.py. I'm going to say. Right. Then there I will write what? Call the menu or not? Call. How do you call? Come on, mom. AOP. What is my function? First of all, you understand one thing, students. This one, and you are not saying that carefully, this one is a set of statements are written. To reuse it in this program, definitely one function is required or not? But are you writing that into any function? No. So I need to write it definitely under what? DEF. Come on. AOP menu. Okay. Then I will write it. So indentation I will maintain. So main thing is you need to maintain the indentation. Module is a collection of what? Function. Function is written or not? Yes. Now say right click, save it, and go to this place. And now you call. What is that now? AOP directly available. AOP menu is my function. AOP menu is my function. See, underline is there with a red underline, indicating that in that program, PVM is not recognizing that. What should I do? Very good. Come on, start from AOP menu. Come on, ma. Import AOP menu. See that underline's gone. Indicates what? You are specifying the location of it. Are you okay? Just please save this code. AOP menu is a module name. AOP menu is a function name. Directly I am calling. Okay. See, please run this code, my dear students. Say right click on it, run AOP demo. See, my dear students, see, my dear students, here I will take it. See that console window I am showing here. You see carefully, menu is shown. Menu is shown. Yeah, Mallesh, very good. Follow. So arithmetic operations, this is the data we have. Okay. Now I will go for what? Now I will go for continue the operation or not? Come on, start. What should I do? Get the choices or not? Get the choices. What is the choice? CH is equal to, come on, my dear students, input of, come on, enter your choice. Enter your choice. Okay. What is my choice? I need to take care. I need to take care about my choice. Okay. Then how to do it? Match case. So match case may not be, that match case is a 3.10. That 3.10 may not be available in this place. Match case of Python environment may not be adopted in JetBrains PyCharm IDE. So if at all I use match case, of CH, then you see it is not recognizing. It is not recognizing. If I say case 1, it is completely underline is there. That means it is not recognized. Even if you execute this, you will get an error. Match is not found, like that you will get it. So I cannot use match case. I will use what? If, come on, start with CH double equal to 1. CH double equal to 1. Understand? If elif kind of statements, I will use it. Now what should I do in this case? I will do some operation. After some time, I will do some operation. Don't worry. Pause. I'm making my PVM to ignore that. After a few minutes, I will write what function? Add function, I will write it. Just I'm providing the skeleton. Elif CH double equal to what? 2. CH double equal to 2. Say what again? Pass. Next time writing elif CH double equal to what? 3. CH double equal to 3. I'm saying what? Pass. Now I'm writing elif CH double equal to what? 4. Say what again here? Pass. I will write it. Elif I will write CH double equal to what? 5. After a few minutes I will write everything, ma. Right. Nasir, I told you already, ma. After I explain, please try to catch me. After I explain, if you keep the doubt, again I cannot come to that. Match case concept of Python software not adopted in JetBrains. And we have to ask the JetBrains people to adopt the new features of what? Python also. But the JetBrains people already announced that it is under the bug fixing stage. They want to adopt when it is coming in the security part. Right? So take care of that. So coming to the next part is elif. Next is CH double equal to what? 6 colon pass. Next, what is next? Else. Else means what? Else means what? Sorry if you write elif, if you want, you can write it. Elif CH double equal to what? 7. 7 is what? First of all, are you remembering what I am talking? Where I am writing this? In this case, 7 means what? Exit. Say under this, I will write what? Say sys dot, what is this? Exit. Sys dot exit. What is sys module? Na? Import. What is this? Sys. Import sys. So you are getting this. And in these cases 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I am going to explain you how we are going to deal with it. Okay, na? Yeah. So if it is other than that, if they are entering, I will say one message also. Print. I am writing, thanks for using this program. Thanks for using this program. I'm just giving one small message. And then I'm going to give you, if anything is not matching, what is happening? Else. What should I say? Print off. Say your selection of operation is wrong. Print your selection of operation. selection of operation is wrong. I say try again, try again, try again. Selection of operation is, your selection of operation is wrong, try again. Try again means I have to import the module once again or not? I have to import the menu once again. So what I will do, students, while true, I need to take care about this indentation. Just press one tab. Are you getting my point? It is a clean and green code. Yes. Try to run this code once, students. Try to run this code once and say this. Right click, say one small thing. Just to say, save it and take this and say run this code. Now you are going to get this. See, my dear students, here I'm going to get it. Enter your choice. This is an output window, console window. Enter your choice. I am saying that some 23. What is saying? Your selection of operation is wrong. Try again. My choice is 0. My choice is 0. Selection of operation is wrong. Try again. When I say 1 means what? Addition. But I said pause. Pause means ignoring the body. Again loop is repeated. Again loop is repeated. Nothing is coming because I wrote a pause statement there. Now I will write, for example, here 7 I am entering 7. When I say 7, thanks for using this program. It's exiting from the process. See, process finished with the exit code of 0. That means it is coming out of the program. Okay, students, go back to my program. I will write the code. If ch is equal to 1, call add function. If ch is equal to 2, call what? Another function. So for that, I will write one more program or not. See our outline. What is my program name? AOP operations. Go to the PyCharm AOP module, that is called my folder environment. Right click again. Say what? Python file. Say here one more. AOP operations. AOP operations.py. AOP operations dot what? Py. AOP operations.py. Say enter a key. A new file is opened or not? Yeah. There I will write what? All functions I will write it. So simple. Students who are in the online, are you following, students? Are you following? Yeah, Malesh. Very good. Dear students, all of you following, ma? Right. Good. Now, so carefully try to follow. Now I am going to enter into the continuation process. Come on, define DEF. What is my function name, students? Add OP. Add OP. In this place, I will read two values. You know, A is equal to float of, see students, float of is equal to float of input of enter. What is the value? First value for what? Addition. Enter first value for addition. Right? Similarly, I will take second one also. Enter second value for what? Addition. Second value for addition. This is called second value. Second value for addition. Right, done. Next, what I do, guys? Print of sum of, yes, students, come on, comma, I say, comma, close it, is equal to dot format of a comma b comma a plus b. Am I correct? A plus b. Very good. Take care of the brackets also. Brackets mismatching, you just take it. It is, once you got matured programmer, you can use PyCharm. But for subject improving, for subject clarity, beginning, you use Edit Plus for more clarity purpose. Once you are acquainted, you can use this IDE, no problem. Okay, students, this is add function is done. Similarly, I will go for what? Which one I can go for it? I am printing that a plus b, everything is done. Now I will go for next example. Here I am going for DEF function name, and then next is called like this. Now I am going to use it. Let us take the same code. And I will paste it. I'll paste it. What is my code, please? Come on, quickly. I say sub OP. take it as all the values you read it once again. All the values you read it once again. Not an issue. Sub OP, that is called sub. Enter the value for subtraction. Subtraction. So first time you are going for this ID, na? That's why I'm going little slow. Carefully understand. Subtraction. I say here minus. I say minus. Here I will say sub of. Good. So I got how many? Two functions I wrote. Enter the value, first value for subtraction. Like that I went. One more function I will take it, students. You see, ma, all of you. What is the next function? MULOP. MULOP. Same to same. It's not necessary to take the same thing as AB only. AB are after all local variables or not? AB are local variables after all. Why I am writing the code again and again there? Because I don't want the common values for all operations. For addition, I want to accept separate values for it. Subtraction, separate values for it. Okay. Multiplication, multiplication, and this multiplication I will take as it is, and this multiplication I will write it. First value for multiplication, second value for multiplication, you can take it. Not only this one, I can take my own name, I can take it. So coming to this place, I say V, I can take it. I can take V, I can take it. Yes, I will take it. Multiplication of MUL of, what is this now? K comma, V comma, what I do? K star V. K star V. Right? Finished. These are my variables. This is for multiplication. Similarly, I will go for what? I'll go for what next? I will take it. Another kind of operation. See, students, there I will take it. Which operation, ma? DIVOP. Enter the first value for division. Enter the first value for division. Second value for division. Second value for division. Right? AB. And I say single slash floor division. This is called what? A division. Normal division this is. You want floor division, you can take it happily. Floor division also, no problem at all. So I will take it. So floor division I will take it. See, floor division. Floor division of, I can take it. Double slash I can write it. Understand, students? Right. Similarly, I will go for last part of the code. What is that? Exponentiation I will take it. Exponentiation I will take it. EXPO. EXPO. XP. OP. Exponentiation. Yeah, modulus also I will write it. No problem. I will write modulus also. No problem. Enter base. I will take. Here I will write it. Enter base. Modulus also I will write, students. Don't worry. So next is called enter what? Power. You say power. POW of, I say K star star V. Am I correct? Right. Similarly, I will take it. Modulus. I will take modulus. Yes, well. So modulus operation, MOD operation. Yes, I say enter a value for modulo division. Modulo division. Enter the second value for modulo division. AB. And this I will take it off. I will take print off. What is this function, students? Mod of. Mod of, I say K. What is this now, students? Percentage. Yeah. These are called my functions. These are called my functions. Fine, students? Yes. Now coming to the overall picture is coming. All my functions are ready. So you save it, Control S after typing it. It is made perfect. Now you see, students, I will go to this place, main program. You come here, only programs. On the top of it your file names are there, right or not? On the top of it your file names are there. And this is your left side is called your project. Left side is called your project. Click on that, you can see your full screen. You can have like this, right? If you click on the project again, project will be shown. And this is after all one simple ID, because you learned Apple mobile, you will understand total settings. In front of the mobile setting, this is nothing. If you buy a new phone 24 hours, you will work like anything. But after all this ID, 4 days, if you do, you will become a master. Okay, nothing is required, not difficulty at all. Okay, come to the main program. Call my dear students, which function I will call, ma? Which function I will call? Add OP. See, add OP is an error. Yes, go immediately where? Come on, students, from AOP operations, directly it is available. Import, I say import star, but actually star is not recommended. I am using in my class star. Okay, if you feel that whenever I remove the star, immediately underline is coming, red underline. Whenever I write star, you observe it, star is gone. That means error is solved, right? Now I will write, whenever I remove, now I am writing add OP. Add OP. Come on, next please. Sub OP. Next is called what? MULOP. It was already there. MULOP. Come on, next is what? DIV OP. Next is called what? Expo OP. And they are in where? They are in dull in color because you are not in use. You can use it. Okay, beautiful. You can enjoy this ID. So coming to the point of it, come on, ma. Sub OP. Now see that the color of that, ma. Okay, we will go for it. We will do that. Okay, we will do that. So we will do that. Next is called what? DIV OP. Next is called what? Fourth one, please. Come on, ma. I think once, let me show you see the menu. Addition, subtraction, multiplication. 4 is division, 5, 6. Okay, here coming to this main program, 3 is multiplication. Yeah, multiplication. MULOP. Okay, no problem. Coming to next, which one? DIV OP. Next, please. Modulus OP. MOD OP. It is giving an error because it was not imported, right or not? Go there and say what? Mod OP. Okay, done. Coming to sixth part, students, I say there. Now, what is that now? EXP OP. Right. All the things are clearly done. Right. See that all of them are actively available now. All of them are actively available. They are available, their existence in the memory. Okay, students. Now run this code. How simple it is. Now run this code. You can write a comment in the program like our Edit Plus only. You can do like this. Commenting statement, you see. This is a main this is called what? This is a main program. This is a main program where I am integrating all functions, of which modules? Different modules. I am integrating different type of modules. Commenting lines are ignored by PVMs. Okay, let us save this code, students. Let us save this code. All these things as done. Now see that, go to the running process. So say Control S, say now run this code, go to the main program and say this. Here it is the running process, or you can say right click, say what? Run. See that? Ready? Now it is enter your arithmetic operation now. So see that, students, how easy this is. Enter 1, addition. Enter the first value for addition, say 12. Enter the second value for addition, that is 34. See, sum of 12 comma 34.4 is equal to 36. Enter the second one, choice is second, 34, and then 67. Subtraction is minus 33.0. Next, the third is multiplication. I will say something like 4, something like 6.7. 6.7, you'll get multiplication of 4.0, 6.7 is equal to 26.8. Are you observing? This is the result. Again, the menu is shown. I say 4, I say 100, and I say 30. So I got the result as what? 3.333 and 3.0. And next is called 5. I say 100 and I say 30. So modulus is called what? 10. Remainder, do you know? Next is called what? 6. Enter your choice. See the base. I say 5 and 5 to the power of 3. Power 5 cube. 5 into 5 into 125.0. Are you following? Next is called what? Enter your choice. I am entering the choice as what? I am entering my choice as 345. 345 choice is, your selection of operation is wrong. Try again. Understand, students? So I would say enter the choice is 0. Selection of operation is wrong. I say the choice is called what here? 7. Now 7. Now it is coming out. Thanks for using this program. Process finished with exit. Finished it and exit. When the loop is repeated, process is continued. When I say exit, it is coming out of it. So understand? So doing the program in PyCharm is easy or difficult? So students in the online, are you following this? Santosh, good. Now Akshay, Vishal, good. So all of them understood. Now I'm going to enter into right. Okay, very good. Now I will move to the next topic. Like that, you can go on doing any kind of things in the PyCharm. And most probably we will enter into this PyCharm kind of thing. Whenever I need, I will go for it, wherever you feel difficulty of it. And this match case, don't use it because it is not adopting that changes of PSF into the JetBrains. JetBrains is an organization of what? PyCharm. So those people did not get the new changes because still Python is under bug fixing stage. Understand? Fine. Now I'm going to move forward to another thing. Right, ma? It's 3.9. Akshay, exactly. It is using 3.9 only. It is using 3.9. Yes, exactly. You are using 3.9 only. Yes. So this is Python console, what you have seen it. This is a terminal, what you have seen. This is a, how can you find that? CMA, Python console. See, my dear student, it is a Python 3.9.9. Who is using this? PyCharm is using. So Python, this is a console window what you have. Python 3.10 is not taken. Now I'm going to introduce one more concept called what? Reload concept I want to explain. Shall we go for reloading? Reloading a module. Shall we start? Yeah. So, yes, Malesh. Yes. You can install, Malesh, you can install any of the modules in this place. You can install in this place. It is working like Python command prompt or not? Looking like a Python command prompt. Here, Python console is there. You can do this. Right. Let us move to the next concept is reloading a module. Let me go to the reloading a module. Let us straightforward go to the example. Let me give you some clarity in Edit Plus. First, let me go to the Edit Plus. So take an example, something like this. Okay, take care all of you. Now I'm going for reloading a module. What is the use of reloading a module? Try to have some small awareness. Live cricket score, you take it. Live cricket score. For every few seconds, score is changing or not? In 9 o'clock, I logged in. I have some run rate, some 4.3. After a few seconds, run rate may be changing, maybe increasing, maybe decreasing. That time, those changes has to reflect to my browser also. So in browser side, which type of code is written to get those changes? So that is only imagination we had. Now we are going to see programmatically in the class. Look at, I'm taking one small example, shares.py. Shares.py. It is my module name, file name, and what? Acts as what? Acts as what? Module name. Acts as module name. Well, now I'm going to give you DEF. Now I'm taking shares info. This is my function. What I'm doing there, my dear students, there I'm going to take it something like this. D is equal to D. What is that? Dictionary I'm taking. Why dictionary? Share name, share value. Share name, share value. Like that I want to go for it. How can I do that? Is equal to something like IT share. IT share is 500. IT share is 500. Next, pharmacy share. Pharmacy share is something like 250. Comma, something like automobile share. Automobile share is something like 300. Next is called what, something like, some marketing shares, MRKT, I will just write, is something like, I'm giving some 280, assume for example. This is the data what I have. I say return D. What is a D? Dictionary. A function can return list, a function can return tuple, a function can return dictionary also. Okay. Save it, students. Carefully try to listen. Financial shares, yes ma'am. Durgesh, you can take a number of shares, you take it. Durgesh, during your practicing, you take care ma'am. Shares.info. Shares.info. Okay. Now I will go to another place, my dear students. Please getting this point. Yeah. Here, shares demo. Shares demo.py. Shares demo.py. What it is calling? Shares info. Shares info is a function. Shares info is a function. Shares info is a function calling into another program, which returns what object ma? D, dictionary. Definitely shares info is using, I will import, come on, what is this? Shares. Line number 2 I was imported. In line number 4 I am going to get that information. Please look into this carefully. Print off, I am saying that, what I am doing that. So content of D is equal to, just for a minute you watch it until I execute my program. You go on seeing this. It's a main program I am copying. So take this code, shares demo.py, go to this place of command prompt. Yes, go to the command prompt, cmd. So E:, say KVR, Python, 9 a.m. Says next there is called what? Modules. Yes, modules. Fine. There you see, students, py. What is my program name? Shares demo.py. So I got shares info is not defined. Okay, I should call it as what? Shares.info. Shares. Ma? Yeah, okay. Spelling mistake. Okay. Fine, students. Right. I got that information is getting down. Okay, students. Now I'm going to say, my dear students, I'm saying that I want to display this data. Which data I'm displaying? Shares data I want to display. What I'm doing, I will define one function, def display of some D. What is that? D as a parameter I'm passing. How do you print? There I'm writing share name. I'm taking some \t, share value. I'm just taking like that. Print of star 50. I'm taking that here, star 50. I am writing that here. I am saying for share name comma share value. in D dot items, D dot items, share name comma share value, D dot items, print of, what is the share name I am taking, backslash T I will say, backslash T, okay, backslash T, say this, and then backslash T, and say this, dot format of K comma, SN comma, share name comma, share value. Yes, well, so it is comes under a small main program, I can say. So I called this display of D. Yes, it is done. Okay, students. Now just to try to execute this, it's a main program. It's well and good. It's well and good. Share name and share value is perfectly coming like that. Okay, something like under the same column, I want to use it. My dear students, carefully follow. Under share name and share value, I got it. There is no issue at all. But what I'm saying is, while I'm watching this, while I'm seeing this, while I'm getting this output, while I'm executing, all of a sudden some changes may be occurring in my external place now. What is my external file here? What is my external file here? Shares is the external file. It is a separate file. It is a separate file opened in some text editor. During my program execution, some changes may occur or not. Sir, please show that during the execution, please show that some changes are occurring. Please let me show you, students. Look at, students. During the execution, some changes means what? How can I show that? Now see, there is, I will make my application to sleep. Which application is sleeping? My main program. Is a person is using the shares information, is getting at one point of time, this is the status. In that execution period of time, in that execution means my program is under execution. Under execution means, please see, suppose I am saying 10 seconds. Sleep is one function which makes our PVM to wait without executing the further statement. Print, I am coming out of, just I am showing something, ma. I am coming out of sleep. Sleep means not human being sleep, please. Not human being sleep. Sleep means what? No further operation will be continued until sleep time is over. That sleep function is present into which module? Time module. What is the module name? Everything you have to understand. Every function belongs to the module. Even if I did not say, you would ask me, sir, which module, which module, which module? Input function, print function, type function, ID function, max function, min function, they are all belongs to which module? Built-ins module. Reduce function belongs to which module? FUNC tools module. Exit function belongs to which module? Sys module. Like that. Now let us go to import to time. See, student, comma time. Comma time. Just for a minute you observe it. Nothing to worry about it. Please observe it. Now see, cursor is waiting. Waiting means what? My PVM is under what? Sleep. In this time, I am changing my content. Which content I am changing? Shares content I am changing. After the sleep, it is coming out or not? Don't look at that side. You look at on the screen only, all of you. Once again, I am running. What PVM cursor is blinking? What is that cursor is blinking? Which statement? Time dot sleep. How much time? 10 seconds. Now it is under sleeping. In this gap of time, I am changing my content. Understand, students? Once again, go. Here I am going to take 15 seconds. And I have to make you to understand. I am going to understand. So I will write a statement here. I am going to sleep. I am going to sleep. Going to sleep. Yes. See that, students. It is the status I got the report. Now I am going to sleep. For how many seconds? 15 seconds. In this 15 seconds of this, my program is open. External program, shares program is open. I changed it. Those changes I have to get back or not? So here I am coming out of the sleep. Now, students, please look at that. Please look at that. I will say once again I am calling after the sleep. Please see that. D is equal to Shares dot what? Shares info. Shares info. This is the one before sleeping I got it. This is after when? After coming out of the sleep, I am going to do this. Please take care. I am taking 20 seconds to make you to understand most perfectly. See students, go immediately. Now sleeping. Go to the program carefully. Go to this place. Shares. IT share is 450. And then marketing share is 290. Save this and then come to this. See, it is in sleeping. When it comes out, will you get that changes? No. Will you get the changes? My dear students, are you getting the changes? In the sleep time, I changed my code. I changed or not? I changed my code externally in external file. Am I getting that code once again? Am I getting that changes? No. After my sleep, I am calling that. Again, I am calling that, but I am not getting. Correct or not? Once again, you execute. Now you are executing from the beginning. Now you are executing from the beginning. Now you will get it. Why? I am running once again. I am running once again. Now you see, during the sleeping time, I want. During the sleeping time, go there. Which one? This place. 2500 you do. Save it immediately. Still you come. You will not get the 2500. See that? You will not get that. You will not get that. So what is coming? Values are not reflecting. Still 250 is coming. Is it wrong or not? So what it is fetching? It is fetching static kind of modules information only getting. It is not getting what? Up-to-date information of module is not getting. Are you getting, girls? So what should I do now? I need to reload my module, refresh my module. Yes or no? I need to refresh my module. For that, I need to go for a function called reload. What is the function name? Reload. Go to that place where I am going. To whomever you are going to get it, before you are going to call, you say, my dear students, come on fast. What is that? Reload off. What is the module name? Come on students. Shares. What is my module name? Which module you want to refresh? Shares. So reload function is used for getting the up-to-date changes. During the program execution, some changes will occur. To get those up-to-date changes into my present program, I will use which function? Reload. Reload function is also one predefined function. Belongs to one module or not? That is import lib. Import lib dot. Import lib dot. What is the module name? Import lib. As on today, it is deprecated in favor of IMP module. What is that module name? IMP module. I will show you that. In 3.10, import lib is deprecated on the name of what? IMP module. What is the deprecation meaning is? Earlier your name is called Praveen. Now you are deprecated as what? Praveen. Some E is added. That is known as what? According to numerology, you changed your name. That is deprecated your name. If you believe the astrology and all those things, you have deprecated your name. So deprecation is nothing but what? Changed it through to new one. Did you understand this? Go there. Go to students. I'll say what, ma? Come on fast. What is this? Import lib. Import lib. Don't separate import to lib. Don't separate. It is a one module name only. Okay, sir. Reload module is used for getting the changes of changed things. Externally you changed it. I want to get it into this place. Okay, sir. After that, you do once again what? Reload it. Reload information, you get it. My dear students. Reloading information, you get it. Are you getting once again or not? After reloading, you call once again. Understand? Huh? Very good. Come on, students. Now go. Now go. Now see. Shares info 2500. Go to my program quickly. I will say 45. I will say 25. I'll say 25. Save it. Wait. Now, are you getting or not? 20 seconds time is there. Already some time is over. Now see that whether you are getting or not. One message also will come. Deprecation message also will come. So see the message getting or not. Getting or not. Getting or not getting or? Getting. So changed message is coming or not? How it is coming? With which function? Reload function. Coming out of the sleep and then getting like this. Right? Okay. Santosh. Super. Okay. Very good. We will teach like that. So let us execute. Go to this place once again. Go to this place once again. It is called 250. It is called 3000. It is called 2900. It is called 450. Save it and wait. You are going to get reloading the module. So getting that, you are going to get that changed values are coming or not. Is it understandable or not? So what is the use of reload? Nothing but F5 button on the browser. F5 browser. F5 if is a refresh, na? Like that. So you don't know F5? You don't know? Okay. So if you don't know, no problem. But subject you must know. Nobody will ask what is F5, but they will ask you what is reload. It's the most important thing. Go to this, see student. I'll go to this place. I say IMP. I will say IMP. I will say here IMP module. IMP module also I will take it. IMP module. Just to look at. Just to look at. You execute once again. You see that it is. Please look at that one small thing. The IMP module is deprecated in the favor of what? Slated to for removal of 3.12. See that module documentation for alternative use. It is going to change in which version also? 3.12 also it is going to say. They are saying in advance to you. Import lib. Import lib is a deprecated version of what? IMP. IMP. So IMP, import lib are the two words you have and try to understand. So from this, I don't know whether you understand reverse or you understand properly. I don't know. IMP, import lib. Two things are there with you. Which one is the present one? IMP na import lib. Import lib. Import. That is what I felt you understood reverse. Or I explained reverse. I don't know. Import lib is the deprecation name of IMP. Or IMP the older name. New name is import lib. Instead of word that deprecation, what is the old name? IMP. What is the new name? That is still going to change in where? 3.12. 3.12 not yet came. You go to that place. Not yet came. So go to this place. www.python.org. See that downloads. It is 3.10.4 only. In 3.12 they are ready to change. They are saying. No problem. Suppose in my project when I use IMP, I am getting immediately IMP is the older name, import lib is a new name. Okay, no problem. Because I already know import or not. I already know IMP or not. So happily I will go for what? Import lib. I will change it to what here? I will change it to what, ma? Import lib I can say. And after a few days, import lib is going to be taken as something like Amirpet lib. I will go for what? Remove IMP import lib, Amirpet lib. I will write it. I will understand. IMP change it to import lib change it to Amirpet lib. What is there? In next day, whoever is learning newly, they will struggle a lot. Because we are learning from the scratch level onwards. That is the point to be rememberable. Finally, I am going to give students, understand me. I am going to say, this is the data what we have. Go to that data suddenly. You say 4 rupees. You say 4 rupees. You say 2 rupees. You say 3 rupees. You say 2 rupees. Now save it. Coming to the program. Now you will get. That's why I put more time on it. Where you can understand. When it comes out, you can understand that changes. This is the most important. Compulsory question. You ask every student what is meant by reloading a module. First of all, people don't know what is a module. They don't know syntaxes of import statement. Are you getting? So please be in touch with the subject. Shall I show you what is meant by reloading module? Dear students who are in the online, did you understand, ma? All of you, did you follow this reloading module? Nasir, are you following, my dear student? Nasir, okay. So good. Let us go to the reloading module concept. I will show you. Rather than writing the reload module, right? Yes, Umesh, exactly what you understand is perfect. So go to that modules. I say reload module, reloading module. I just open it. Try to understand what you understand from my class. Reloading modules in Python. Right. Sumit Kumar Singh. Very good, ma. Thank you. Right. To reload a module in Python, we use a predefined function called what? Reload. To reload a module in Python, we use a predefined function called reload, which is present in which module? And it was deprecated in favor of what? Import lib module. Understand, students? Okay. What is the syntax, sir? IMP dot reload of what? Module name. And or one more is what? Import lib dot reload of what? Module name, which is recommended. Recent one is recommended. In 3.12, it may change. It may change. You purchased one car in 2022. After next year, some change will occur in your car. Is that change will understand or not? If the person don't know car at all, he can't understand the consecutive changes. But you are following these changes, IMP, import lib. In 3.12, something changes, let them change. So who keeps track of these changes? They are expert in subject. Come on. What is the purpose? Situation I am explaining. Reload function reloads previously imported module. Sir, what is that? Explain, sir. This is the module already imported or not? I am reloading once again. For what? Getting the changes of a previously imported module. Reload function is used to reload the changes of previously imported module. Which is the previously imported module? Shares, which I am reloading. Why I am reloading? To get its refreshments, to get its changes, to get its updations. Yes, go. I say, right. Dheeraj, thank you. Right. So reload function reloads previously imported module. If we have edited the module source file by using external editors, I have opened separately or not? Such changes, if you want to get the changed values or a new version of the previous loaded module, we use which module? Reload module. Right. Fine. Come on to the point of view. What is the example? Same example I put it. See students. DEF shares info. Technology share is 19. Pharma share is 11. Automobile share is 1. Finance share is called what? Something like, for example, 100. Written D. It is a module name. Main program you take it, same thing. Shares demo.py. Import shares. Import time, import lib. You see, students, I say you can write in same line also, like our program. You see, I printed the share information, main program student, D shares dot shares info, previously imported module, display D, time dot sleep of 15, import lib dot reload of what? Shares, reloading previous imported module. Reloading previously imported module. Okay, reloaded. Once it is reloaded, get the data. How do you get the data? Shares not what? Shares info. What is that? Obtaining changed or new values of what? Previously imported module. What is my previously imported module? Shares. I reloaded. I am getting the previously imported module. Again, you call display D. It is going to print the changed values. I hope you understand the reloading of module. Only module, when I explain packages, you will say, sir, jumping like anything, sir. This program I want to execute in where? I want to execute in where? PyCharm I want to execute. I want to execute in Jupyter Notebook. I want to execute in Python command prompt. Everywhere else in the entire universe I want to execute. Sorry, staying in Hyderabad, I want to access his library from USA. No transferring of anything, only for downloading something. How to do this? This is development of our own libraries, development of our own API, right? So coming to the point of it, here, next class, I will introduce what? Packages. Package is only one day. Tomorrow only. Why only one day? 2 lines are there. For 2 lines is 1 hour 40 minutes. Only 2 lines. Functions 14 days explained. Modules how many days? Why? Every module is containing what? Functions. Functions already discussed now. Package contains what? Modules. Package contains modules. Modules contains what? Yes. Please look at that. Please look at that. This is the program. Shares is a module which is available in where? Where it is available, my dear students? This is available in where, ma? It is available into KVR Python 4 PM modules folder or not? Am I correct, students? What is the module name? Modules. Which folder it is? E:KVR 4 PM. Now go for this, my dear students. Careful, ma, all of you. This program save as, go to where? C:. What is C:? Some other directive. There is the KVR folder is there. In that KVR folder, I will save shares demo. Which folder I saved? Which drive I saved? C. Earlier what? My main program plus module name project in the same folder. Go. When it is in this place, no problem. When you are here, no problem. I can get my data. Where are you? My main program plus my module is present in the same place. When you go to real time, you are working on some folder. I am working on some other drive. Somebody is working on some other machine. Across the universe, I want to make my library to be available. Understand? So here no problem is coming because source to destination present in the same place. But go to another command prompt, students. Where is it? Come out of that. CD. KVR is a folder. See, my dear students, all of you. C KVR. Inside of it, what is my program name? What is my program name? Shares demo. Come on, PY. What is my program name? Shares demo dot what? PY. Shares demo dot PY. What is happening? It will see. What is your PVM will do? PVM will be doing shares is called my module name. Where are you now? Where are you now? You are in where? C::KVR folder. In that it is looking for shares module. It is there? No, it was there in some other folder, but my main program is there in some other folder. Which error will come? Actually, you are calling function. Function error will not come. What will come? Module error will come. Module not found error. Please look at what is that? Module not found error. Quickly. No such a module called what? In this computer only present. But it is in where? E drive. But I am in where? Go to one more environment. How to overcome this problem? Go for what? Packages. Go to one more. I will go to one more. What is it? Python environment you go. Python 3.10. See, my dear students, I am saying that. Come on. Import. What is this? Shares. Import shares. See, import. 1 minute. Import calendar. Print of what? Calendar dot what? Month of 2022, 3. So I got the output. Import what? Shares. Error will come. Error is coming. So why predefined modules are coming? Why my modules are not coming? So I also make my modules as like predefined modules or not? That is called I want to make it as a library or not? How to make it as a library? By the beauty of packages. Tomorrow by this time, you will be become wonder. Sir, not only in this place, sir. Go to PyCharm, sir. PyCharm also import share, sir. You will get it. Jupyter Notebook, wherever you like it, you go for it. How many lines? 2 lines. 2 lines. Only 2 lines. Sir, how it is? sys.path.append. sys.path.append. One more is called what? Python path. Environmental variables concept is there. Using those 2 concepts, things will be over. But only thing is, out of 100% students of packages, only 90% people can understand. 10% people cannot understand. Why? Tomorrow I will create folder, creating folder, deleting folder. I will do some settings in the system. Settings. Settings means what? They will get confused. That's why we must acquaint with the computer always. So here I am going to say one small point I would like to show. This shares information if you want. One small point I would like to show students. One small point I would like to show. So of course, instead of confusing you today, tomorrow only I will explain. Instead of promo, I'll explain tomorrow. Complete story only I will show you. Did you understand the elegance of this Python library? What did you understand with these modules? Modules makes us to understand how to reuse the code across the programs, but not possible to reuse across the environments, across the folders, across the drives, across the IDs. To access everywhere else, I must go for what? Packages. So take the conclusion. What is the difference between function, module, and package? Functions makes us to understand how to perform the operation, how to reuse the code within the same program, but not across the programs. To reuse the code across the programs related to variables, related to functions and classes, I must go for modules. Provided module name plus main program should present in the same folder. Same folder. But it is not going to be the case. You are working in C colon, I am working in D colon, somebody is working in E colon, somebody is working in USA, somebody is working in Germany, everywhere else we are working with. So how can I use my library to all my students who are available across the globe? So I should go for what? Irrespective of the drives, irrespective of the folders, irrespective of the environments, irrespective of the networks, I want to make my module to be available across the universe. Put them in where? Package. Put them in where? Now tell me, what is the definition of package? If you really understand me, what is the definition of package? Carefully tell me. Package is a collection of modules. Package is a collection of modules. What is a module? A module is a collection of variables, function names, class names. What is the function? What is the function? What is the function I am asking? Function. You already forget. How many days onwards you are not coming to the class? 5 days? 4 days? 5 days? Correct? Where you went? You are attending online? No, neither online nor offline. Where you went? Okay, so not attending online also. So better to attend, right? What is the function? A part of main program is called a function. Subprogram of main program is called a function. Explained or not explained? Human being symbol, ears, tongue, legs, hands. I explained that funny example also. You will remember that example, but you won't remember original example. I will explain everything, ma. If you don't remember, I can't do anything. But one thing you know, Sarah is already explained. Any mistake from my side? No mistake. Because I don't get anything from my side, any mistake. I will explain everything. I will release you. My student will fight with anybody. If you forget that techniques of fighting, I can't do anything. Because I cannot come and fight now. You are the person to enter into the battlefield. I am giving us all tips and measures and means to write the good coding. Okay, anyhow, come on to that. Right. Yes, ma. Okay. Prime number example. Pranav, what is that example, ma? Prime number example. Pranav, what is that example? So I hope, put your doubt, ma. Pranav, I am there to see this. Okay, who is Dash? Umesh. Instead of change manually, can we change the data module automatically? After sleep, we can find updated data. Okay, you can get the data from keyboard also, Umesh. You can get the data from keyboard also, no problem in that. Nothing else problem. 69 is a prime. He is coming prime number. 69 is prime, huh? 69 is prime. 69 is prime. 69 is prime or not? So logic you check it, ma. Logic you check it. Logic you check it. So I hope prime number logic. 69 prime or not prime? You have checked it, huh? So where I written that prime number logic, ma, is asking one small doubt. Prime number, maybe in your class. I hope that I did in where loops, maybe prime number. It is there, huh? Prime number somewhere. Prime number. Yes, just 1 minute. Prime star py. So where is that prime number? It is showing something to us. Yes. So just try to open once. And this is my prime number. This is my prime number. Let me save it into your place, student. One small thing under this, I'll say 9 a.m. under modules. Under that, prime example 1.py. Go to this place of py. What is my file name? Prime example 1.py. Prime example.py. Okay. So prime example.py. So enter the number 69. 69. 69 is not prime. 69 is prime or not prime actually? Not prime only. So come on. 69. So with the 13. With the 13. Right. Input hello world. It is. Okay. Pranav, it is coming on your PC. Okay. Prime. So please check your program. Yeah. Pooja, maybe. Pooja, he may be. Right. Fine. Are you following this? This is the way how you can think of it. Yes, so Vishwa to Vishwa. Right. Seconds only, Vishwa. Time dot sleep of 10. It is in terms of seconds only. It is not in terms of minutes. It is in terms of seconds. Right. Understand this? Fine. Okay. So one more thing is Vishal Vinay. You can use count function, count of that number. Count of that number. Number of occurrences of odd numbers. You can just use, get the odd numbers and put it into list and say len of list. You will get the number of things. All these things, if you know functions, you can do. And everything is there in our notes. You can do very well. So, right. Yes, ma. Subbu. SUBU. Tomorrow you will get your answer, ma. Tomorrow I will introduce the packages, na. That time you will get your answer. Right. Yes, Pooja, you can get it, ma. Tomorrow let me come to the class. You will go for it. You will go for it. So overall, today's modules concept is over. Did you understand modules concept? Tomorrow I will go for packages. Today time is also not sufficient. Tomorrow class, I will go for packages. One class, packages. All of you understand packages, quickly respond it. Right. Sumit Kumar, your exams, my semester exams have started. Okay. All the best. Right. Fine. Okay. So he's asking, one question is asking, Santosh is asking, hello world. Hello world. He is asking hello world. Now he is asking hello world and you want to reverse the words. It is a matter of what? Doing. Get that words and then reverse the words. I will explain split function. Split function. And I will do what? Reverse. Reverse. Get the word and apply what? Colon, colon, -1. Is all there in our class. Everything. You are asking me before that you think, Santosh. Sarij already gave the type of knowledge for you. You can do that. Okay. So anyhow, I will stop the class and creation of module. Santosh, Satish already explained. Module creation already explained. Again, explanation not possible. Already once it is completed, I cannot explain again in the same class. So modules concept already explained in the class. Number of development of programmer defined modules already done. Step number 1, step number 2, etc. already explained. Right. So good. So tomorrow I will go for packages. So I'll stop the class. Even if I start, you cannot going to complete that. Tomorrow completely I will go for only 2 lines. Sys dot path dot append one environmental variable sys system that is called system environmental variables, like a path setting kind of example. Whichever way we want in the industry, we will go like that. So tomorrow don't miss it. Tomorrow I will go for packages. A day after tomorrow I will go for exception handling. Tomorrow is Saturday, right? So Monday I will go for what? Exception handling. Tomorrow I will complete packages. So don't miss it. I will go for packages in tomorrow class. Thank you. Good day. So I will upload this information. Try to follow that. Pooja, each path is required. Tomorrow I will explain, ma. Tomorrow I will explain. Right. What is that, ma? Dheeraj, industry 4-point stands are, you are okay. Thank you, Dheeraj. Right. So don't miss tomorrow class, important session.